Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very interesting topic on how to rebuild an engine. Every engine has a story. It starts strong, delivering power and performance. But after thousands of miles, wear and tear slowly chip away at its reliability. Eventually you face a choice: replace it or rebuild it. Rebuilding an engine may sound like a job reserved for seasoned mechanics, but with patience, the right tools, and knowledge, you can take a tired motor and bring it back to life. Today, I'll walk you through the fascinating process of rebuilding an engine, step by step, in a way that's approachable, exciting, and confidence-building. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So let's begin. Step 1. Preparation is key. A professional rebuild doesn't start with a wrench. It starts with planning. First, you need space, a clean, well-lit garage or workshop. You'll also need basic tools: wrenches, sockets, a torque wrench, an engine hoist or stand, measuring tools like micrometers, and a rebuild kit that fits your engine model. Most importantly, grab a service manual for your specific vehicle. That book is your roadmap: torque specs, clearances, and diagrams that guide every step. Step 2. Remove the engine. This is where the adventure begins. Disconnect the battery, drain fluids, remove hoses, exhaust connections, and wiring harnesses. Then unbolt the engine from the transmission and mounts. With a hoist, lift it out carefully and mount it on an engine stand. At this point, you've already done what many people find intimidating: getting the engine out of the car. But trust me, the fun is only just beginning. Step 3. Engine disassembly. Now comes the teardown. Start with external components: intake, exhaust manifold, alternator, water pump, and timing components. Then remove the cylinder head, oil pan, and pistons. Every bolt, nut, and part you remove should be labeled and stored neatly. Professionals bag and tag each component so nothing gets lost. Treat it like an intricate puzzle. You'll be putting it all back together soon. Step 4. Inspection and cleaning. This is where a rebuild earns its name. Carefully clean each part with degreaser, brushes, and solvent. Once everything is spotless, inspect for wear. Look for scratches on cylinder walls. Check piston rings for damage. Measure crankshaft journals and camshaft lobes with precision tools. Anything out of spec? Replace it. Most rebuild kits come with new pistons, rings, bearings, and gaskets. Remember, an engine is only as good as the weakest part inside it.
Step 5. Machine work, if needed. Sometimes the block or head needs professional help. If the cylinder walls are worn, a machine shop can bore them oversized and fit larger pistons. If the head is warped, it can be resurfaced. Crankshafts can be ground and polished. This step ensures your rebuilt engine runs like new or better. Now pause for a second. If you are enjoying the video so far, why don't you subscribe, like, and share the video? It really helps the channel to grow. So let's begin. Step 6. Reassembly. Here's where the magic happens. Start with the bottom end. Install the crankshaft with new bearings, torque them to spec, and check clearances. Add pistons with fresh rings, carefully sliding them into the cylinders with a ring compressor. Next, install the camshaft, timing chain or belt, and oil pump. Then move to the top end. Freshly rebuilt cylinder head, new valve seals, and head gasket. Torque it all down in sequence. Step 7. Sealing and accessories. Once the core engine is assembled, install new gaskets, seals, and covers. Reattach the intake, exhaust manifold, water pump, and accessories. Don't forget fresh spark plugs and a new oil filter. Step 8. Break-in and testing. Reinstall the engine into the car, connect everything back up, and fill it with fresh oil and coolant. But before you mash the accelerator, you need to break in the engine. Start it up and let it idle while checking for leaks. Drive gently for the first 500 miles, avoiding high RPMs. This allows the piston rings and bearings to seat properly, ensuring long-term reliability. Why rebuild instead of replace? Rebuilding saves money compared to buying a new engine. It also gives you complete knowledge of your motor. You know exactly what's inside, what's new, and what's upgraded. Plus, there's pride in hearing an engine you rebuilt yourself roar back to life. And there you have it, the step-by-step journey of rebuilding an engine. From removal, inspection, and machining, all the way to reassembly and break-in, you've seen how a tired motor can be reborn with patience and precision. So the next time someone says an engine rebuild is too complex, you'll know the truth. With the right tools, knowledge, and determination, you can rebuild an engine like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.